Hi, Eric Acevedo here with a quick video on my opinion as to whether the iPad Magic Keyboard is worth the purchase. Let me preface this video by saying that if you have an iPad and you also have a computer or a laptop that you're going to use for work, then fine. The iPad Magic Keyboard is a great product for your iPad. However, if you are one of those who are trying to use your iPad as your only computing device to replace your laptop and to replace your desktop, and you just want to go all in on your laptop, I don't think that the Magic Keyboard is worth the price. Let me tell you why. Because you're basically taking your iPad and then you're turning it into a laptop, right? So think about it. What do you do with your laptop? You usually take your laptop right here. You usually take your laptop. Do you use your laptop like this all day long? If you are using your laptop computer as your only computer day in and day out, most people go out and buy an external mouse and an external keyboard, right? And they hook it up with their laptop so that they can then take their laptop and raise it up on a higher, more ergonomically correct size so that they're not looking down, straining their neck. Or they go out and they purchase a large screen monitor and plug in their laptop and have their keyboard and mouse so that they can, again, it's more ergonomically correct and it's much larger screen and it's a more desktop-like experience. So guess what? If you do that, turn your iPad into a laptop, you're going to do the exact same thing in time. Believe me, I've tried using this as my primary computing device for a long time, and it's really difficult when you don't have that ergonomically correct height, when you don't have a larger screen, when you don't have the more controls that you're used to having. You're going to end up going out and buying these things anyway. I guarantee it. So my advice to you guys is just to simply go out and purchase a less expensive Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to pair it with your iPad, and then just go out and buy either an iPad stand, something like this that you can prop up on a box, or go out and purchase a larger monitor that you can plug your iPad into and have yourself a more desktop-like experience. You're going to love that a lot more than the keyboard. And then if you do want a keyboard, you know, for mobility, for going out, Logitech and Bridge, they sell less expensive keyboards for your iPad that you can use for that. So that's my opinion. What do you think? Leave us comments below. I'd love to talk to you more about it. And if you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my video channel so that you can see more tips and tricks with using an iPad and different types of technology. Thanks and have a great day.